Hello 18s! Welcome back to my channel na i-featured sa World Music Awards platform sa Facebook ang ating SB19 Boys dahil nakipag-collab sila kay Ian Asher at Terry Zong na sikat na online singer at songwriter. Kaya naman nakaka-proud dahil ilan lamang na mga sikat na mga singers ang ma-feature dito sa World Music Awards. Of course, nakasama dyan ang ating SB19 Boys. Congratulations!
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.